Hello everyone, welcome to MEDHA CARE. My name is Mridul Ahmed and today in this video we will discuss 5 important questions for NEET and JEE. So see the first question. So in this question, the key point is here 80% yield. That here you have 80% yield. So how to solve this question? See here. So what do we do? First here it is given that 36 gram carbon is taken. So 36 gram carbon, that means 3 moles. So here I am writing 3 moles. Allowed to react with 6 gram of hydrogen, that is also 3 moles. And if you see here that limiting reagent, it is 3 by 2 and that is 3 by 3. So this is less. So this one is limiting reagent. So we got the limiting reagent here. Hydrogen is the limiting reagent. Now how much product will form if hydrogen is the limiting reagent? So moles of hydrogen reacted divided by 3, that will be equal to mole of ethane produced divided by 1. And here from the problem we know that moles of hydrogen reacted is 3 because this is the limiting reagent, this will become 0. So moles of hydrogen reacted is 3. So if the yield is 100%, then mole of C2H6 will form 1 moles. But here we can see the yield of the reaction is 80%. So the product here that we will get, moles of C2H6 in this reaction will be 1 into 80%, that is 0.8. Moles of C2H6 in this reaction will be 1 into 80%, that is 0.8. So you will get 0.8 moles of C2H6 and molar mass of C2H6 is 30. So mass of C2H6 formed, that will be 0.8 into 30. So answer is 24 grams. So for this question the answer is 24 grams. Moving to the next question. Here you see the molecular formula of an organic compound is given CnH2n to 0.1 mole of the organic compound required 0.8 moles of oxygen. For the complete combustion, therefore the value of N we have to find out. So I am writing the equation here. CnH2nO2 that reacts with oxygen and you will get carbon dioxide and water. So as we have N moles of carbon here, so you will get N moles of carbon dioxide and 2N moles of hydrogen here. So that means you will get N moles of water also. So total oxygen required here in the right hand side, if you see the total oxygen required is 2N plus N, that means 3N. Total moles of oxygen required is 3N. So total moles of oxygen required is 3N. But already in the compound 2 oxygen atoms are there. So total required, then this oxygen will be required is 3N minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, so because here we have 2 oxygens, O2, that's why I'm writing 3N minus 2 by 2. So here it is 0.1 mole is forming 0.8 mole oxygen required. So 0.1 mole compound, 0.8 mole oxygen required. So for 1 mole, 8 moles of oxygen required. So from this equation we can write that 3N minus 2 by 2, that is 8. So 3N is 16 plus 2. So N is 6. So correct answer for this question is 6. Moving to the next question. Suppose two elements A or B combine to form two compounds A2B3 and AB, and 12.04 into 10 to the power 23, that is actually 2 moles. Molecules of A2B3, the weight of this is 300 gram. So 2 moles weigh 300 grams. That means 1 mole will be 150. So what we can say? We can say A2B3, its molar mass is 150 gram per mole. And 0.01 mole of AB, that weighs 0.65 grams. So for example, for 1 mole it will be 65 grams. So we can say AB, the molar mass of AB is 65 gram. Now consider that molar mass of A element is small a and molar mass of B element is small b. So what we can write? We can write 2A plus 3B, that is equal to 150. And here from the second case, A plus B equal to 65. So using elimination method, multiply the second equation by 2 and subtract. So here 2A will cancel, 3B minus 2B, it is B, and 150 by 130. So 150 minus 130. So that is 20. So answer is B 20. Now if B is 20, so A plus B is 65. So A will be 65 minus 20, that is 45. So A is 45. So the correct answer for this question is A 45, B 20. That is the atomic mass of A and B. Going to the next question, question number 4. An organic compound contains 90% carbon and 10% hydrogen by mass. Its empirical formula you have to find. So carbon is to hydrogen you have to find out. What is the ratio of moles of carbon and hydrogen? Consider the entire molecule is 100 gram. So there are 90 gram water, 90 gram carbon and 10 grams hydrogens will be there. So what do you have to do? 90 divided by 12 and 10 divided by 1. That will be the ratio. To get the answer, what we will do? Here we will multiply each one with 12. So here also we multiply with 12 and this one also we multiply with 12 to get the whole number ratio, simplest whole number ratio. So this 12 will cancel. So that we are getting 90 is to 120. So 0 0 cancel and we are getting 3 is to 4. So the carbon and hydrogen mole ratio will be 3 is to 4. So the answer is C3H4. Next question. In a closed vessel, so here we have the equation A2 gas plus 3B2 gas. It is forming AB3 gas. 5 moles of A2 taken. So in the question given 5 moles of A2 taken. 7 moles of B2 taken. Initially this was 0. Now find out what is the limiting reagent. So to find out limiting reagent, what we have to do? We have to check. So here it is 5 by 1. You have to divide that one by stoichiometric coefficient. So this is 7 by 3. This is 5 by 1. So which one is more? So this one is more. So this B is limiting reagent. That means whatever the B present here, that will be 0. So 7 moles of B reacted. So what I can write? Moles of A2 reacted by 1 is equal to moles of B2 reacted by 3. That is equal to moles of AB3 divided by 2. So here this one is given 7. So moles of A2 reacted will be 7 by 3. So this one will be 7 by 3. So moles of A then present, it is 5 minus 7 by 3. It is left over. 5 minus 7 by 3 because this much reacted. And how much this one is moles of AB3 produced? How much it is produced? It is produced 2 into 7 by 3. That is produced. So total mole after the reaction. So total mole at the end of the reaction is 5 minus 7 by 3 plus 2 into 7 by 3. That is 5 plus 7 by 3. And that is equal to 22 by 3. So the correct answer here is 1. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can directly send me through WhatsApp in this number. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.